Good morning. We are.
My fidget spinner said good morning.
It is Monday morning, y'all, and we are up bright and early. I've been up since like 6 o'clock this morning, and then we went to go get something to eat. Y'all, when I tell y'all that breakfast room was crowded, girl, we got there at 7:05 and it was packed already. It started at 7, so that just lets you know them people was there bright and early. But yeah, we are walking to the hornblower boat thing. It goes out into the falls, so we're about to go there. I had bought them some tickets. I surprised them with that, and so we're gonna go over there. We're gonna walk there. We have our jackets on. I have my little shirt on that says "Live well and travel often."
I had the same shirt.
Lauren has the same shirt as well, but it's covered up because it's kind of cool outside. But we're at the house of Frankenstein. It was kind of scary. Lauren don't want to go in there because they got the gargoyles right there. Right there.
And plus it says no refunds for kids.
No refunds for children. But we are going to go to this Ripley's moving theater right here. We're definitely going to go to this spot right there. And we might go to the Ripley's, believe it or not, as well. So we don't know. They do have some bundle deals, but they had one for like the wax museum, but I don't know about the wax museum. But this is another part of Canada that I didn't show you guys yesterday. This is down a different road right here. They got a lot of stuff going on down on this road, y'all. So yeah, they got Burger King right there. They got Dairy Queen right there. They got a Wendy's. And they do got an IHOP down here too. Oh, look, y'all. What is that? Y'all see that? Oh, they got a mirror maze, and they got the crystal caves right there. Laser tags, and then they got some stuff down there. I'm out in the road, about to get hit. Look, we need to walk down there really fast. You want to walk down there really fast? Okay, well, she want to go down here. There's a Tim Hortons. We're gonna definitely go there. Try out Tim Hortons. They said that's the Starbucks of Canada, so I'm gonna try them. There's Movie Land down there. That's the one I was looking at. There's a Sky Wheel. We're definitely going on that. Big old Sky Wheel right there.
I'm excited for that.
It's a bowling.
I guess I could get on that because that is not as bad as flying.
Like a bowling place right there.
Go to the Hillbillies, man.
Oh, child, we finna go to the Hillbillies, y'all. Oh, no, child. There's a Boston pizza. It smells good, too. We already ate, though. There's the Wendy's right there. They got a Guinness World Records Museum right here. Look at that. We should go there. Hey y'all, there go the Movie Land Wax Museum of the Stars. That's what I was thinking about wanting to go to that one instead of the other wax museum they were talking about. Look at that. That's the Sheraton Hotel right there. And there's an extreme motion ride, the 4D movie, the SpongeBob movie. Okay. Rainforest Cafe. Look at a little frog, y'all. Unknown fact about me, y'all. I'm so scared of frogs. Terrified of them things. I hate them. They ugly. They ugly. They ugly though.
I'm staying right here.
Okay, y'all, so I don't know what's going on over here, but all these people are here. And I think it is something about the Kelly Ryan show. I don't know who this is, but here go the deluxe sightseeing tours right there. And so I guess you can take that to see Niagara Falls. But yeah, look at all these people, y'all. Like, I don't know what they're here for. The Kelly Ryan show. I have no clue, y'all. Okay, y'all, we about to get on this little cruise. Y'all see the little boat out there? Y'all see it all the way out there, y'all? That's where we're gonna be at, all the way out there. Yay! I'm excited. Okay, y'all, so we are about to get on that little boat right there. I'm about to say ship. We're about to get on that boat right there. See Niagara Falls back there. Got on our little ponchos. Horn blower Niagara Falls cruises. We are ready, honey. I see that a lot of people get wet over there. I see a lot of wet people. So I'm gonna have to try to cover up my phone. I do have a protective case for this phone just in case. Y'all know I'm funny about my phone.
My purse too.
This way. Y'all, we are on the boat right now. About to, you're fine. About to go to the falls over there. Yay! This is gonna be fun and exciting.
Come on, this big is like
It's 20 minutes. Look at that stuff in the river.
I don't know what that is. That's sea foam.
It's foam, I guess. Look at the seagulls. Do not poop on my head. Okay, y'all, so we are moving. We are moving on the falls, honey. About to go near the falls. Yeah. Okay, y'all, we are, look at that. Gorgeous. Woo-wee. Yes, oh my God. Yes, y'all.
So many birds.
That's the one that brings that more smog.
Wow.
Where are we going now?
Okay, y'all see the squirrel right here? I swear on everything, thought that thing was about to like attack us. Little Chip and Dale. That's Chip. He looking for Dale. Like for real. Y'all remember that cartoon Chip and Dale? That little thing was over here looking for some food. Oh my goodness. Look y'all. Oh, the real Tip. Look. That little squirrel. We running from the squirrel. Woo, we just ran. Y'all, we just ran from that squirrel, no lie. That thing, we thought it was coming for us, for real, for real, for real. Anyway, y'all, we just got back from the cruise. And as y'all can tell, I don't know what I was thinking. My lashes fell off, but I saved them. I put them in this little pouch so I can have them for later. But y'all, that cruise was so fun. We had a lot of fun, y'all.
Oh, there's my phone. Where'd it go?
Oh, what my stuff at? Oh, okay. I'm about to say I bought some stuff and then I done left it there. Anyway, y'all, we about to go to the hotel because we got a little wet. What's up, y'all? We about to go to the Ripley's moving theater right about now. It's like right across the street. It's good that it's walking distance from the hotel. Like I did get a pretty, you know, good hotel, like where everything is. Although it is a little further from the falls, which is fine. It's still like a what, 20-minute walk from the hotel to the falls. That's cool. So that's the theater right there, like I showed y'all yesterday. But so far we are having fun.
I know, right?
You having fun? You having fun? You having fun?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Good, they're having fun. Trying to make it fun for them, y'all. Trying to make it fun for the kiddos. Okay, y'all.
Hey, y'all.
Yeah, so we got our 3D glasses on, okay? Like, it's weird. It's so weird. Like, I'm just like, oh my God, it's weird looking so far.
The screen is blue.
Oh yeah, and the lady was telling us that Kelly and Ryan, this Ryan Seacrest and Kelly Ripa, and she also said that French Montana was here too. Like, who knew? Who knew? That's what all those people were for, y'all. So, okay, so how did you like it? Was it fun?
If you knew what to expect,
I mean, it was fun for her. You know, it was all right for me. It wasn't. I guess because I'm older and I don't really care about that. They have a Kit Kat Sunday. They got a Kit Kat Sunday. Anyway, like I said, it was okay for me because I guess I'm grown and I'm an adult, so you know it was all right. But we're about to go down to this 6D roller coaster thing down here, and we're gonna do that one as well. Ooh, that was close. They're about to get hit, like for real. Wow. Okay, y'all, we're about to do the 6D experience right here. So, yeah, we're gonna see how this is right here. And back here, actually, it's like a game room, kind of like Stars and Stripes, or Dave and Buster's here in the States or whatever. Okay. We're about to start. Woo! Oh, bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. So that ride was so much better than the 40 one, wasn't it?
I know, right?
Yeah, that was way better than the 40 one that we just left out of it, and it was cheaper. But yeah, that was a little fun right there, you know what I'm saying? We done a little adventures today, I think so. Y'all been having fun so far?
Yeah.
Okay, well that's here.
All messed up.
Yeah, I'm just here. I do this for them, okay? So hopefully they're enjoying themselves, all right? But we're about to go get something. I guess we'll go get something to eat. I don't know, but y'all know the drill. We'll be back. Y'all, we just went on this ride right here. It's called Ghost Blasters. Okay? And so y'all, let me tell y'all something. Lauren was screaming the whole time we were in there. She was so scared, she actually got more points than I did, okay? I was shooting so much. She was shooting. Didn't know what she was shooting at. She got 450 points, I got 420 points. This girl was so freaking scared in there, y'all. It was funny. She was screaming. They are the scariest people you see.
Skeleton
Why y'all
popped
let me go
out.
by myself? Look, it was two people per seat. So me and Lauren went, and then she had to go by herself. So I know she was scared.
I didn't know what was going on.
Oh my God, the ghost blasters, that was fun too.
That was
Oh, you had my ear hole. I was like,
Right. Little stuff was jumping out at us and stuff like that. It was popping and air was blowing and stuff like that. Yeah, it was so fun. That was fun.
Oh, they got snow cones.
Yummy cones. Snow cones. Anyway, y'all, we about to walk around.
let's go to Tim Hortons.
We're gonna go to Tim Hortons right now and check Tim Hortons out. Let's wait till later because we want to do something later, like all throughout the day. Anyway, brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you, my baby. Come on.
I was holding on to my ticket and the gun. I was like,
okay, y'all. So we are at Tim Hortons. So as you can see, I got me a French vanilla latte. Okay, I got the strawberry shortcake, and I got a cookie, which is the butter tart filled cookie with pecans. Yeah, I'm gluttonizing.
watch your hands.
Yes, look at that. Oh, you can see the filling in there too.
Mama making you.
So yeah, we're about to chow down. What did you get?
Oh, I got a box of cream pie donut. And I got 4 powdered sugar, raspberry filled Timbits, which is in America, aka Munchkin.
Okay, what did you get?
It's all filled croissant and caramel ice latte.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and this is a vanilla iced coffee.
Okay. Okay, y'all. So we down here at the pool because Lala wanted to go to the pool today, and so I was like, let me bring this girl to this pool, honey, before she just nut up. So we're gonna be down here for about a good hour. Y'all, when I say I'm exhausted, I'm so tired. I'm so freaking tired right about now, but I just came out here so she can enjoy the water for about a good hour, and after that we're gonna go get something to eat. After we had the Tim Hortons, and they kind of filled me up because I had a latte as well, so I really don't need anything else right now. My stomach is, oh Lord, I can't eat all this food. My stomach is packed. TMI, though. Okay, guys, so we're about to get on this sky wheel right now. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Yes, so we're about to get up on this. So hopefully nobody gets scared. Well, nobody shouldn't be scared, especially if you've been on a plane 35,000 feet up in the air. Okay. Okay, y'all, we up in here.
We'll alert the operator to check the gondola to see if there's a problem.
Okay, y'all, so we started.
And the blue button will turn audio on.
See, I'm not at all afraid.
Ooh, look. Ooh.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's mini golf right
Ooh,
there.
look, y'all. We out good here.
Look at
Wow.
this.
Look, we can see the falls from here.
That is
Cool.
Look at this. Look at the falls. Look.
Ooh. Look, everybody.
The sun will rise 475 feet above the ground and provide a picture-perfect view of both the Canadian Horseshoe and American Falls.
Y'all, they done stopped us up in the earth.
Look, y'all. So that's the horseshoe over there, Amanda.
Look.
That's the horseshoe.
This is the American Falls right here. That's the horseshoe, the Canadian.
The Skyline Town.
Wow.
Oh,
So
okay.
American, Canadian.
How you know? Who said it?
You just said
You'll
that.
see Greenland
Oh.
and their triple tower ride with skyscrapers.
Wow, this is neat, y'all. Look at this.
We
all the way up in the air. Look.
Look at the fire truck.
Across the Rainbow Bridge lies Niagara Falls, New York.
Okay, y'all, we about to go to the Rainforest Cafe to eat. Yay! really? Okay, so Michael wanted to go here, so I guess we're gonna go here and try it out. The food better be good. That's all I got to say. You ready to eat?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we haven't eaten since like early this morning, about 7 o'clock, so it's about time for us to eat. Right about now. Y'all, look at this. Check this out, y'all. They got 8 gorillas over there, y'all. And they got like animals just like going crazy. Like, I thought this was so neat. And then we're sitting right here by the serene water. Oh my God. Like, this is so neat, y'all. Look at that. They said that the animals come out every 30 minutes or something like that. This is neat. How cool. What's up, y'all? So, whew, back at the hotel. It is, I think, almost 8 o'clock, y'all. I'm tired and I'm exhausted. And hopefully I can get a good night's sleep tonight. Like, seriously. We just finished driving around Niagara Falls, y'all. Did we know where we were going?
No.
We didn't know where we were going. We were just riding out, y'all. We found a Walmart. We found a Lowe's. We found a lot of stuff. Like, you got to go to certain parts of Niagara Falls. It's nicer. We saw houses and things like that. Yeah, y'all. Now I'm tired. And I still got to go back out and probably get them something to eat. I don't know if they feel like walking to get something to eat, or we might have to just, no?
We ain't walking.
Okay, they don't.
Parking.
Well, so I guess we'll just have to drive to get something to eat later on. I want something light. I don't want nothing heavy. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to close out this vlog, okay? Everything that we did was awesome today. We had a very great time, and I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. And tomorrow we're going to Toronto. Yes! And on Wednesday, we're going to Buffalo. Yes! And then Thursday, we heading back to the States. Alrighty, y'all. If you're new to my channel, y'all know what y'all got to do. Hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video. Alrighty. Bye.